Afternoon everyone, RC Heli Guy. So we're just going to take out the M2 Evo just at a local little park near us where we are today. The winds are quite high, so there's not going to be anything excessive on the flying front, but I just wanted to try and fly in a small compact little park just to see what my flying ability is going to be within the high winds. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and watch my journey throughout the RC Heli world. Thank you. This is 3D mode now.
What does that mean?
So before I was flying, the last time we did it, I was flying in stability mode. Gripped it.
Land it, just do a quick 2-minute movie or 5-minute movie.
It went too close, I just shut the blades off. It's still out for the water.
Right, how many times have you crashed?
How many times have I crashed? I've never ever crashed.
There you go then. So you're not going to hit me.
But I've never flown in winds like this.
Yeah, you're never going to hit me.
Oh mate, I can't laugh because it transfers through my bum.